Good morning, Fernhill, and welcome to your morning assembly. Today is Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. Please stand for the singing of O Canada. Please be seated. Here is Mrs. Curry with the news.
This Saturday, May 23rd, is World Turtle Day, where we bring awareness to turtles and tortoises that need our help to survive. To celebrate, wear green, dress like a turtle, or simply learn about the plight.
Thanks, Mrs. Curry. Here's Miss Sullivan with the weather.
Today will be a high of 17 degrees and it will be mostly sunny. What a great start to our weekend.
Thanks, Miss Sullivan. I can't wait to enjoy the sunshine this weekend. Here's Mr. Okus with the sports.
Good morning, Fernhill School. For those of you who have been to the Valentine's Day skate, you may have noticed that my hockey and skating skills in general is a little bit subpar. But with Mr. Felice claiming that he is the softball guru at Fernhill School, I've decided to really focus all my attention to my hockey training, in hopes that one day I can be like my mentor, Mr. Finn, and win a men's league scoring title one day. So, take a look at my training videos, let me know what you think, subscribe, like my videos, I'm trying to build up my followers, let me know what you think.
Thank you, Phys Ed Department. Here's Madame Sepe with the jokes.
Where do the smartest parrots live? Uh-oh. Rainforest. What is a parrot's favorite game? Hide and speak. Where do parrots make movies? Hollywood.
Those were great, Madame Sepe. Here is Miss Simons with the interesting facts.
Good morning. Today's interesting facts are brought to you by Percy and Miss Simons.
Did you know that the pug is an ancient breed and was once considered royalty? And did you know that the unicorn is the national animal of Scotland?
That was very interesting, Miss Simons. Here's Miss Doyle with the performance.
Hey guys, so in this quarantine, I've taught myself how to play the guitar. Thought I would do a little performance for you. Here we go. Just kidding, I don't know how to play the guitar, but Miss Doyle number 2 sure does. Hello, and here's Miss Doyle number 3. Hello. We're gonna be singing Here Comes the Sun for all you Beatles fans out there. Darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I'll say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles return into the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Sun, 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 here he comes. Sun, 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 here he comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, it's alright. It's alright. Hang in there, everybody. Enjoy the sunshine. Bye.
Are there any birthdays today or over the weekend?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sean. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sean. I hope you have a fun day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sean. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear son. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nick. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Nicholas. Have a great day, bud.
Happy birthday, Nicholas. I hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Nicholas. I hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Nicholas. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for sitting quietly during assembly. Have a wonderful weekend.